Welcome to our beginner's guide on Bitcoin investing. Bitcoin is a digital currency that's revolutionizing finance. Today, we'll cover the essentials to get you started on your journey. Firstly, you'll need a secure digital wallet to purchase Bitcoin. Choose a reputable exchange, set up your account, and buy your first coins. Remember, your keys, your coins. This means if you control the private keys, you control the Bitcoins. Bitcoin is limited to 21 million coins, ensuring its scarcity and potential value over time. As more people adopt Bitcoin, the demand could increase its value. It's crucial to understand the tax impacts of owning Bitcoin. In many countries, Bitcoin is considered taxable, so you'll need to report gains and losses on your taxes. Consult a tax advisor for guidance specific to your area. Be cautious of market volatility, which can lead to big price swings. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Security is vital, so store your coins in a hardware wallet and be wary of phishing scams. In summary, Bitcoin offers exciting opportunities, but it's important to be informed and cautious. Keep learning and happy investing.